To install the Keplr wallet, start by searching for it on Google, where you should find the official website, which describes itself as a multi-chain gateway. On the website, click on Get Keplr Wallet to be directed to the download page, which offers the option to install the wallet as an extension for browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, or on a mobile device. For computer users, select the browser of your choice, in this case, Chrome, and click on it to be taken to the Chrome Web Store. From there, click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension, and the extension will download and be added to your browser. After installation, you will be taken to the Keplr website, where you can create a new wallet if you don't already have one. To do so, click on Create a new wallet, and you will be given the option to use a recovery phrase or sign up with Google for a simpler registration process. Selecting the Google option allows for quicker registration, after which you will need to choose the Google account you want to use and grant permission. Once your account is set up, you will be asked to name your wallet and create a password, which you will need to re-enter for confirmation. You will then be shown your private key, which you must keep secure and back up, ensuring it remains private. After confirming that you have secured your private key, you can proceed to select the chains you want to use. It's recommended to start with the default selection and add more as needed. Finally, click Save to complete the setup, and your account will be created. You can then access your wallet by clicking on the extension, which should now be visible in your browser. With these steps, you should have successfully installed and set up your Keplr wallet, and you can begin using it immediately.